Okay, on to our next strand. This strand of the IDOE's K-8 Computer Science Standards is about computing devices and systems. So let's jump right into it. So in grades K to 2, not a lot there. We just want to make sure that kids can use standard input and output devices to operate computers and other technologies. What's that mean? They can use a mouse, a trackpad, a touch screen, and a keyboard. So free activities, really anything, like seriously, anything that requires students to use these components, okay? Now let's jump over to grades 3 through 5. Demonstrate, there's a little bit more here. So CD1 is demonstrate proficiency with keyboards and other input and output devices. CD2, understand the pervasiveness of computers and computing in daily life, like voicemail, downloading videos and audio files, microwave ovens, thermostats, wireless internet, mobile computing devices, GPS systems. CD3, apply troubleshooting strategies for identifying simple hardware and software problems that may occur during use. CD4, recognize that computers model intelligent behavior, which you'd find in robotics, speech and language recognition, and computer animation. So as far as layman's terms, basically the same as K2. Anything that kids do that uses a keyboard and mouse, touchscreen or keyboard is going to help them develop proficiency. But now they need to understand that technology is everywhere, all caps, everywhere, and that it doesn't always work. So when it doesn't work, we need to develop some ways to troubleshoot it, and that computers are now and will continue to employ machine learning in order to become smarter. So what are some things you can do to support that? Well, we'll teach them effective Google search strategies, okay? Google Quick Draw, which is an awesome website to help them learn a little bit about machine learning. Google Chrome Experiments is a great way for students to experience AI and machine learning. So great ways to help them understand it is by having them experience it. Same for us as well as teachers. So let's jump to grades 6 through 8. Demonstrate an understanding. So CD1, demonstrate an understanding of the relationship between hardware and software. CD2, apply troubleshooting strategies to identify and solve routine hardware and software problems that occur during everyday computer use. CD3, describe the major components and functions of computer systems and networks. CD4, describe what distinguishes humans from machines, focusing on human intelligence versus machine intelligence, and ways that we can communicate, as well as ways in which computers use models of intelligent behavior, so robot motion, speech and language understanding, and computer vision. So what are some things that we can do? Continue to give them opportunities and teach them strategies to troubleshoot common issues. Make sure that it's not disposable information, right? They need to understand some ways to troubleshoot common issues, okay? So for number 3, you know, they need to, that's pretty self-explanatory. What are the different components of a computer system? All right. And number 4, how humans learn versus how machines learn and how machines apply this to perform tasks. Okay. So here are a couple things you could do. There is machine learning for kids. I've got the link down in the description. I thought that was a pretty interesting way for kids to understand what machine learning. It's a little bit more advanced, so it's probably better for a 6 through 8. Really student-run help desks, even if it's a classroom student-run help desk, you want to talk about them having embedded opportunities to learn how to troubleshoot common issues. That's a great thing that you can do in your classroom. And definitely teaching them, again, those effective Google search strategies. If something isn't working, if there's something you're not able to do within a specific program, let's Google it, all right? Teach them how to use Google searches effectively. Let's wrap it up here. I used to, and I still do, I tell younger students that computers aren't smarter than humans. They're just faster at completing tasks. Well, I'm not sure if that's the case any longer, right? So love it or hate it, the future of technology truly is that the computers are learning faster and better than we are. So understanding this and helping students identify what role humans play in that progression is vital. Hope this was beneficial to you. We'll see you in the next video.